World by Claudia Tremblay, version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds that have been sprinkled in the light areas of the background. In Their Own World by Claudia Tremblay, in size 30 by 50 cm rounds, version 2 special treatment now adds deep forest crystals that have been sprinkled on the dress of the mother and the daughter. So simply sprinkle it on their dresses, and that adds this nice sparkle. In Their Own World by Claudia Tremblay, in 30 by 50 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds more electric diamonds that we've placed on the galaxy effect of her dress that's in this area. So simply sprinkle some of the additional electric diamonds on there, together with some specks on the mother and the daughter's hair. And we also have rainbow crystals that are used to fill in the dragonfly.